In this class, I am going to tell you about rounding of a number to the nearest thousand. In previous class, I had taught you rounding of a number to the nearest 10 and the nearest 100, and in this period I am going to solve rounding of a number, rounding of a number to the nearest thousand. Working rule. First number, see the hundredth digit. See the hundredth digit of the number. If you have to round off a number to the nearest thousand, at first see the hundredth digit of the number. If it is less than 5, replace each one of hundred tens and ones digits by 0. And keep the other digits. By 0. If it is 5 or more, increase thousandth digit. By 1, and replace each digit by 0. If you are given a number 2573, and you have to round off to the nearest thousand, at first we see the hundredth digit of the number. Here hundredth digit is 5, so we increase thousandth digit by 1 and replace each digit by 0. So the rounded off to the thousands, rounded off to the seven three is equal to 3000. Here we see that hundreds digit is 5, so we increase thousands digit by 1, and hence the rounded off to the nearest thousand is equal to 3000. Similarly, one more example. Example 2. Example 2 number estimate 5290 estimate 5290 plus 17986. You have to add on the basis of estimation. Here we see that in first number there are 4 digits, and in the second number we see that there are 5 digits. So we estimate the given number to the nearest thousand, rounded off to the nearest thousand, nearest thousand 5290 बराबर 5290 is equal to 5000, and rounded off to the 17986, rounded off to the nearest thousand, to the nearest thousand 17986 is equal to nearest thousand is equal to 18. Now we add the estimated number 5 sum बराबर sum is equal to 5000 plus 18,000. We get the sum 23,000. If you have to estimate 5,290 to and 17,986. In the first number there are 4 digits, and in second number there are 5 digits. So rounded off to the nearest thousand, 5290 is equal to 5000, because digits at 100 plus is less than 5. So we replace hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0. And in the second number, the hundreds digit is 9. digit at 100 place is 9 more than 5, so we increase thousands digit by 1 and replace other digits by 0. So the estimated number is equal to 18,000, and after that we find the sum of the given estimated number is equal to 0, 0, 0, 8, 5, 3, 13 and 112. So 23,000. Similarly, you will estimate and the next example I am going to clear example 4. In example to multiply. An example 4, estimate 63 into 182. Here you have to multiply 63 by 182. At first we estimate. Here we see that in first number there are 2 digits, so we estimate to the nearest 10, rounded off to the nearest 10, rounded off to the nearest 10. 63 nearest 10, 63 is equal to 60, because digit at one's place is less than 5. So we replace it by 0 and write the other digits as they are. So 63 is equal to 60 and rounded off to the nearest 10, 182. 182 is equal to 182 is equal to, here one's digit is less than 5, so we replace it by 0, hence the estimated number is equal to 180. And after that we multiply here nearest 10, we see that rounded off to the nearest 10, 182. 63 is equal to 60 and nearest rounded off to the nearest 100. Nearest 100 is equal to 200. And after that we multiply. Multiplication 200 into 60 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0. 12,000. Hence the estimated product. Hence the estimated product. Hence the estimated product is equal to 12,000. In this way, similarly you will solve the other questions of this exercise. At first you will try to solve the all examples of exercise 1.4, and after that you will try to solve exercise.